Good morning, class. I'm Mr. Hakushu. Since some of my colleagues, your professors, have resigned, I will be your substitute professor for some of your subjects. I will be taking over the world history class, the general knowledge class, the medicine class, the computer science class, the public speaking course, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, and all other subjects. Yes, all of the other professors have resigned. Huwag kayong mag-alala, madali lang ako magpa-exam. Okay class, today is our final exam and huwag kayong mag-alala, napakadali lang ng exam. Psychology. Based on your knowledge of their earlier works, evaluate the emotional stability, degree of adjustment, and repressed frustrations of each of the following: Alexander of Aphrodisias, Ramses II, Gregory of Nicaea, and Hammurabi. Support your evaluations with quotations from each man's work, making appropriate references. Translate all quotations in Tagalog. Wow. Civil engineering. This is a practice test for your design and your building skills. With the boxes of toothpicks and glue present, build a platform that will support your weight when you and your platform are suspended over a vat of nitric acid. Computer science. Write a 99th generation computer language. Using this language, create a computer program to finish the rest of the exam for you. Mechanical engineering. The disassembled parts of a howitzer have been placed in a box on your desk. You will also find an instruction manual printed in Swahili. In 10 minutes, a hungry Bengal tiger will be admitted to our classroom. Take whatever action you feel is appropriate. Be prepared to justify your decision. Public speaking. 2,500 riot-crazed criminals are storming the classroom. Calm them down. You may use any ancient language except Latin, Hebrew, or Greek. Medicine. You will be provided with a razor blade, a piece of gauze, and a bottle of scotch. Remove your appendix. Do not suture until your work is inspected. You have 15 minutes. Religion. Perform a miracle. Creativity will be judged. Music. Write a full piano concerto. Orchestrate and perform it with a flute and a set of drums. You will find a piano under your seat. Logic. Take a position for or against truth. Prove the validity of your answer. Astronomy. Define the universe. Give 3 examples. Chemistry. You must identify a poison sample which you will find at your lab table. All necessary equipment has been provided. There are 2 beakers at your desk, one of which holds the antidote. If the wrong substance is used, it causes instant death. You may begin as soon as I, the professor, injects you with a sample of the poison. Philosophy. Sketch the development of human thought. Estimate its significance. Compare with the development of any other kind of thought. Sociology. Identify the sociological problems which might be associated with the end of the world. Construct an experiment to test your theory. Physics. Explain the nature of matter. Include in your answer an in-depth evaluation of the impact of the development of mathematics on science. For the world history class, describe the history of the papacy from its origins to the present day, concentrating specially, but not exclusively, on its social, political, economic, religious, and philosophical impact in Europe, Asia, America, and Africa. Be brief and concise. Mathematics. You have 60 seconds to mentally solve the mathematical problem I will give. 8,256.91 plus blank minus blank times blank is equals to negative 38.07623. Bonus question. Why is 11 not pronounced as
21?
Provide a full numerical analysis in justifying your answer. Art. Given one 8-count box of crayons and 3 sheets of notebook paper, recreate the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel. Skin tones should be true to life. Political science. There is a red telephone on the desk beside you. Start World War III. Reports at length on its socio-political effects, if any. Metaphysics. Describe in detail the nature of life after death. Test your hypotheses. Electrical engineering. You will be placed in a nuclear reactor and given a partial copy of the electrical layout. The electrical system has been tampered with. You have 17 minutes to find the problem and correct it before the reactor melts down. Biology. Create life. Estimate the differences in subsequent human culture if this form of life had developed 500,000 years earlier. With special attention to the probable effect, if any, on the Philippine social spectrum circa 1640. Prove your thesis. General knowledge. Describe in detail. Be objective and specific. O diba? Ano dali ng mga exams nyo? Finish or not finish, submit your exams.